Hello, right, so if you remember in the previous video, we had flattened our airport, but it's getting dark now, but we had a problem, and the problem was this over here. Because we have trees on the runway, buildings nearby, all sorts, so we need to get rid of them. Now, there's a couple of pieces of software you can do this with. I'm going to try and stick to Airport Design Editor, which is what we've been using throughout this project so far. And this is the one you want here. It's an exclusion rectangle. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to exclude things I like that one. I'm going to exclude things from the airport. Okay, so exclude that, and exclude that. Let's just add another little bit there. See, on the properties you see it's exclude all, so all these things, all the scenery elements will be excluded. There we are. And that's it. It's a file. So if we, oops, why did I just save image? I don't want to save image. Save airport. Right, compile it. Like you've seen a few times. If you haven't watched the previous videos in this series, I suggest you go back and watch them first. It'll give you more of an insight to where we are. Right, now let's have a look in Flight Sim and see how that's altered our airport. Hopefully all those pesky trees have gone. If you remember, we're Robin Hood Airport. It's going to be dark because it's night time. Let's change it to daytime again. Okay. Alright, well, there's still some trees about, but let's have a look. Is there any on the runway? Ah, you see these? We do have to get rid of these lampposts. We've got a special program for doing that. But, let's have a look down the runway. And that's the full length of the runway, and no trees within the runway. Now the next thing we have to look at are these lampposts. Now these have happened because, hang on, no, not that one. You can see that there is a path or road that's been automatically generated, and these are part of that scenery, so we have to get rid of them. Okay, so that's the next trick. And that will be in the next video.